All right, so this is a move that gold have. So initially, we were looking at price to break below 1931, but essentially what happened is that we did not break and close below this area with the confirmation. So what that means is that if this is a support we had to the left-hand side, initially we did break below this area, the candle closed with a decent size wick, and all we needed at this point was the next candle to create some sort of a resistance followed by a bearish candle, so we could anticipate that volume coming in after London Open can continue to push price to the downside. But what happened instead of that was that the next candle essentially moved back in the range, making this move down look like a fake out, and initially this wasn't a sell trade. Now, another question can come on is that, okay, well, why couldn't we have taken a sell if this next candle broke below the low for price to continue pushing down? And the answer is because you already had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles moving down. So anticipating for a fifth candle to continue pushing down would have been not good at all. So you would have needed price to kind of like, create some resistance and then to continue pushing down. But now as we're seeing that price is coming down into a consolidation area, and even if you measure this range, this is like a, like a 20 pip range, and I don't think this is a better tradable range. I think what's going to be better is to wait for price to break above 1937 to break above these resistances, and then essentially you have clean range to the left hand side for price to continue pushing up. And if you look at the price, this is 1941, and from 1937 you got almost like a 40 pip range. So this is where you have to wait for price to continue to push up. Now, on the other hand, also, if you look at this 1935 almost, so 1935, this is a side note only if you're like, kind of like experienced in trading. So this is 1935 down till 1932. If we can have some sort of resistance formed, then maybe, just maybe, with volume coming in from pre-New York, we can continue to push down, and then moving into NY Open and then NYSE Open, we can continue to push further down. That just may happen. All right? This is how you break down the trade and kind of plan on where you can see price moving. You're welcome.